class, today we are here with Chef Slaw, and she is going to show us how to make a beautiful
tomato salad.
Chef Slaw!
Woo! The most important ingredient we're going to need is our freshly grown tomatoes. Let's go meet up with my gardener to find them. Let's go!
Chef Slaw, what a surprise! What brings you here today?
I'm looking for some of your fresh tomatoes.
Ah, perfect. So this first garden's been getting a lot of sun.
They look a little dry.
Oh, sadly, there must have not been any rain here this week.
No rain and all sun does not make happy tomato plants.
Let's go try one of my other gardens.
Aww.
The plants are so small and they have no tomatoes.
What a shame. They had so much potential.
It has been raining here for weeks.
I guess with all the rain, there wasn't enough sun. Let's go try my last garden. Hopefully they're better. Here we go.
Oh, they look beautiful.
They look so happy.
Yes, I think this is the perfect spot to grow my tomatoes.
With the amount of sun and rain this area has been getting, it must be the perfect place to grow tomatoes.
There we go, a fresh tomato salad.
It looks amazing.
Fresh tomatoes are the best tomatoes.
And all they needed was a perfect combination between
Water and sunlight.
Hey class. She's laughing now.
You see why?
Hey class, today we are here with Chef Slaw, and restart it. That was me. That was me.
The most important ingredient we're going to need is our freshly grown tomatoes. We're going to meet up with my gardener and to find them. Follow me.
Leave off the screen. Now you're
Okay.
goofy at the end.
Wait. There we go, a fresh tomato salad.
It looks amazing.
Fresh tomatoes are the best tomatoes.
and all they needed was the perfect balance between
Water
and
sunlight.
Seems fine to me, like my hand is
Here's one
there.
there.
Okay, let's just go with it then.